Hi, I'm Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little bear using the origami technique. You can use whatever size the paper you want, depending on how big or how small you want your final bear to be. My paper is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Although I'm still a beginner in the art of origami, I really enjoy it, and I find that it actually relaxes me. So if you have any suggestions on what animal or figurine I should try out next, leave them in the comment section down below. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. At this point you can of course decide to just leave it as it is, but I wanted to make it extra cute and make it resemble a bear even more, so using a fine liner pen I drew the bear's eyes. And because I thought his cheeks were a bit too square, I decided to do an extra fold here. And this is the final result. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!